When it comes to maintaining the integrity of your home, few things are more important than your roof. In Madison Heights, where we experience a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, roofing problems can arise from the wear and tear of the seasons. Whether you are dealing with the freezing cold of winter, the hot summer sun, or the rainy spring season, your roof is the first line of defense against the elements. In this article, we'll explore the most common roofing problems in Madison Heights and how to fix them, ensuring your home stays safe and dry for years to come. Leaky roofs. Leaky roofs are one of the most common issues that homeowners in Madison Heights face. Roof leaks can be caused by a variety of factors, including damaged shingles, improper flashing, or clogged gutters. Leaks are particularly problematic because they can lead to water damage inside your home, affecting insulation, drywall, and even your home's foundation if left unchecked. How to fix it? To fix a leaky roof, the first step is to locate the source of the leak. Start by inspecting your roof for any missing or damaged shingles. If you find any, replacing them can stop the leak. Additionally, check the flashing around chimneys, skylights, and vents to ensure they are properly sealed. Clogged gutters can also contribute to water buildup and leaks, so it's essential to clean them regularly. If you are unable to identify the source of the leak or are unsure how to repair it, consider hiring a professional roofing contractor to conduct a thorough inspection and provide a solution. Damaged shingles. Over time, shingles can become damaged due to wind, hail, or simply age. In Madison Heights, where storms and fluctuating temperatures are common, shingles may crack, curl, or break, leaving your roof vulnerable to further damage. How to fix it? If you notice damaged or missing shingles, it's essential to replace them promptly to avoid water infiltration. Start by lifting the damaged shingle, removing the nails, and replacing it with a new one. Be sure to secure it with roofing nails and seal the edges to prevent any future water leakage. If you are unsure how to replace shingles or if the damage is extensive, it's best to call a roofing professional for assistance. Poor ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining a healthy roof. Without adequate airflow, heat and moisture can build up in your attic, leading to problems like mold growth, wood rot, and even shingle damage. In Madison Heights, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically, poor ventilation can be a significant issue. How to fix it? To improve ventilation, consider installing or cleaning existing vents in your attic. Ridge vents, soffit vents, and gable vents are all effective ways to promote air circulation. Ensuring that your attic is properly insulated will also help regulate temperature and reduce the risk of moisture buildup. If you're not sure where to start, a roofing expert can help evaluate your attic ventilation and recommend necessary upgrades. Clogged gutters. Clogged gutters are another common roofing issue in Madison Heights. When gutters become clogged with leaves, debris, or even ice, they cannot effectively channel water away from your roof. This can lead to water pooling on your roof, causing leaks, damage to the shingles, and potential foundation issues. How to fix it? Regular gutter cleaning is essential to prevent clogging. Aim to clean your gutters at least twice a year, once in the fall after the leaves have fallen and again in the spring. You can remove debris by hand or use a hose to flush out the gutters. Installing gutter guards can also help reduce the amount of debris that enters your gutters, making maintenance easier. Damaged flashing. Flashing is the metal material that seals the joints around roof penetrations like chimneys, vents, and skylights. When flashing becomes damaged, water can seep into these areas, causing leaks and water damage to the roof structure. How to fix it? If you notice any rusted, cracked, or loose flashing, it's important to replace it as soon as possible. To repair flashing, you'll need to remove the old flashing and install new, properly sized flashing around the roof penetrations. You may also need to apply roofing cement to seal the edges and prevent water from leaking underneath. If you're unsure how to install flashing or if the damage is extensive, a professional roofer can help ensure it's done correctly. Conclusion. In Madison Heights, roofing issues can be a common concern, but many of these problems can be prevented or fixed with the right knowledge and maintenance. Regular roof inspections, proper ventilation, and prompt repairs to damaged shingles or flashing can help extend the lifespan of your roof and protect your home from costly water damage. If you're ever unsure about how to fix a roofing issue, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted roofing contractor who can provide expert advice and solutions to keep your roof in top condition.